So you woke up with vertigo today and you don't know what to do. So today's video, we're going to dive into some simple tips of what you can do to get out of the vertigo spins and get back to life. Hey, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin. I've been helping people to remove the blockages in their health for the last 20 years to lead amazing, fantastic lives. If you've woken up this morning and you have vertigo, first off, I'm sorry to hear you're going through it. It really does stink. Second thing I want to do is refer you to this maneuver that winds up helping you to get rid of the vertigo spins. And if you follow it right at home, it should help massively. Second thing I want to do if you're having those vertigo spins is I want you to sign up for my 5 steps to get out of the vertigo spins quickly. This is the details on what I'm going to talk about here on how you can get out of the vertigo spins quickly. It'll come right into your email box so you have it. Next thing that we want to do is go over and make sure that you're being as safe as you can. So you want to make sure that you've got support for your day and that you can hold on to things as you walk around your house as you need. We need to make sure that you're hydrated and drinking plenty of water throughout your day. There's a few nutrients that can really wind up helping, and if you've got them around the house, that'd be outstanding. One of the first ones we want to be sure that we take and consume winds up being fish oils, essential fatty acids. I like 1,000 milligrams twice a day. Second thing I like to see our patients who are suffering from vertigo consume winds up being ginseng, really powerful at reducing the symptoms. Third thing I like to see people taking winds up being CoQ10. So those 3 things I want you to add into your life. If you're concerned about interactions you have or other health conditions you have, write down below. I'll do my best over the internet to wind up answering them. Or we may need to hop on a discovery call to unpack all the things that you've been going through that's gotten you to this point and figure out how do we take the next step to making things right. The next thing I want to talk to you about is really connected to me, and that is that you get checked by a corrective chiropractor. You see, about 25% of vertigo cases are people who have difficulties and or problems with the top of their neck right here. This is the area of our brain that winds up controlling balance and spins. And if you're going through the spins right now, that means that there's more than likely distress right here. Having this assessed and detected and then figuring out a plan to wind up correcting it, absolutely important. A corrective chiropractor is the one to do it. If you don't have one or need help finding one, write down below. If not, we may need to hop on a discovery call to help you figure out what your best next step is. If you've got more questions about this, write down below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you know. Once again, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.